Welcome to a comprehensive guide on KuCoin, one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges in the industry. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through the features, benefits, and unique offerings of KuCoin. So, without further ado, let's dive in. KuCoin is a global cryptocurrency exchange launched in September 2017. It is one of the most popular exchanges in the world, with over 20 million registered users. KuCoin offers a wide variety of cryptocurrencies to trade, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and many others. It also offers a variety of trading features, including margin trading, futures trading, and staking. KuCoin is a safe and secure exchange. It has a number of security features in place, including two-factor authentication, cold storage for assets, and regular security audits. KuCoin is also insured by a third-party insurance company. KuCoin offers a number of features that make it a popular choice for traders. These features include 1. Extensive selection of cryptocurrencies. KuCoin prides itself on offering a vast selection of cryptocurrencies. From the established giants like Bitcoin and Ethereum to the hidden gems of the crypto world, KuCoin provides traders with a diverse range of options. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a beginner exploring the market, you'll find a plethora of exciting coins and tokens to choose from. 2. User-friendly interface. Simplicity and efficiency are key when it comes to trading platforms, and KuCoin delivers on both fronts. With its user-friendly interface, even newcomers to the crypto space can navigate the platform with ease. The intuitive design and accessible tools ensure a seamless trading experience, empowering users to execute trades quickly and efficiently. 3. Robust security measures. Security is paramount in the world of cryptocurrencies, and KuCoin takes it seriously. The exchange employs advanced security protocols to safeguard user funds and personal information. Two-factor authentication, cold storage for the majority of funds, and regular security audits are just a few of the measures in place to protect against potential threats. KuCoin's commitment to user safety has earned the trust of traders worldwide. 4. KuCoin Shares, KCS. KuCoin Shares, or KCS, adds a unique twist to the KuCoin ecosystem. Holding KCS tokens brings several benefits, including daily bonuses. These bonuses are a share of the trading fees collected by KuCoin, making KCS holders eligible for regular rewards. Additionally, KCS holders enjoy discounted trading fees, exclusive promotions, and other incentives within the KuCoin ecosystem. 5. KuCoin Spotlight. For those looking to invest in promising blockchain projects, KuCoin Spotlight provides an avenue for discovery. This feature showcases carefully selected projects, ensuring that users have access to quality investment opportunities. With thorough due diligence conducted by KuCoin, traders can explore and potentially be early investors in innovative blockchain ventures. 6. Dedicated customer support. KuCoin understands the importance of reliable customer support, and their team is available 24/7 to assist users. Whether you have questions about trading, account management, or any other concerns, KuCoin's dedicated support staff is ready to provide assistance. Their commitment to exceptional customer service sets them apart in the industry. 7. Mobile app for trading on the go. In today's fast-paced world, flexibility is key. KuCoin's mobile app allows users to stay connected to the market and manage their portfolios on the go. The app offers all the essential features of the desktop version, ensuring a seamless trading experience across devices. Whether you're commuting or simply prefer the convenience of your smartphone, KuCoin's mobile app has you covered. 8. Global presence. KuCoin has expanded its reach worldwide, catering to users from different regions. With multilingual support and localized services, the exchange ensures a smooth trading experience for users around the globe. This global presence has contributed to the vibrant and diverse community that calls KuCoin home. 9. Driving innovation and supporting startups. KuCoin goes beyond being a traditional exchange. They actively drive innovation in the crypto space and support blockchain startups. Initiatives like KuChain, a decentralized public blockchain, demonstrate their commitment to pushing the boundaries of technology. Through programs like KuCoin Labs and KuCoin Grants, they provide resources, funding, and incubation support to promising projects, fostering growth and development within the blockchain ecosystem. 10. Community engagement and education. KuCoin values its community and prioritizes education. They provide a wealth of educational resources, including tutorials, articles, and video content, to empower users with knowledge about cryptocurrencies and trading strategies. Additionally, KuCoin hosts regular AMA, Ask Me Anything, sessions and community events, fostering direct interaction between users and the team behind the platform. This engagement not only strengthens the community, but also facilitates an exchange of ideas and insights. KuCoin is a good choice for both beginner and experienced traders. It offers a wide variety of features and a safe and secure platform. Here are some of the pros of KuCoin. 1. Wide variety of cryptocurrencies to trade. 2. A variety of trading features, including margin trading, futures trading, and staking. 3. A safe and secure platform. 4. Competitive fees. 5. A user-friendly interface. And the cons of KuCoin are: 1. Customer support can be slow to respond. 2. The exchange is not available in certain jurisdictions. In conclusion, KuCoin has established itself as a prominent player in the cryptocurrency exchange landscape, offering a wide range of cryptocurrencies, a user-friendly interface, robust security measures, and unique features like KuCoin Shares and the KuCoin Spotlight. With a commitment to customer support, a global presence, and initiatives that drive innovation and support startups, KuCoin continues to evolve and adapt to the ever-changing crypto market. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a newcomer to the world of cryptocurrencies, KuCoin provides a platform that caters to your needs. So, if you're ready to explore the exciting world of crypto trading and join a vibrant community of like-minded individuals, give KuCoin a try. Start your journey today and embrace the possibilities that await you in this dynamic and transformative industry. Remember, the world of cryptocurrencies is constantly evolving, so always conduct your own research and make informed decisions when trading. Thank you for watching, and happy trading on KuCoin.